Alright guys, if you've been following along, you probably saw a previous video on YouTube of our 66 Chevelle that we installed a Brian Tooley racing cam in. So next step after that, we're here at JBA Racing and we're gonna get this thing dyno tuned to see what we added as far as performance. The LS2 in this car came with about 400 horsepower, so what we're gonna do is see what we added to that. We didn't go with a big cam because we still have power brakes, and it's a 4L65E automatic transmission with a stock converter from a 2005 GTO. So we didn't go too rowdy because we still want a nice drivable car, but we wanted to add some performance. So now we're here with the experts and see what we did.
I think the tires slip for the downshift, and so it throws off the RPM a little bit. So we'll do another one, and I think I just need to start at a higher RPM. I tried to get above the speed where it would downshift. The air fuel ratio is perfect. I adjusted the mass air transfer function after that last pull, and it's commanding 0.85 and it's seeing 0.85 exactly.
But so estimated crank, this engine stock was 400, so estimated crank 476 here. Okay guys, we just finished up our dyno session here at JBA with Bruce. He got this thing tuned up and dialed in, and let's look at some of the numbers this thing made. As Bruce was stating, a lot of people, they look directly at peak torque, peak power, and it did put down some pretty decent numbers there. But the thing that we're really impressed by is the air fuel ratio. I mean, he got that thing so dialed in that this thing's running right with the air fuel ratio. So we know that this thing will always run reliably, safe, and all that power, you can tap into it at any time. This car idles pretty decent, putts around no problem, but as soon as you get into it, you have this 476 estimated crank horsepower available, which is a significant bump up from the stock 400 horsepower this car is rated at, or this engine I should say. So we're pretty happy, glad we did the upgrades, and glad you guys get a chance to get a more powerful car.